Automatic solder paste printing maintaining.
Now, in many processing plants, automatic solder paste printing machines are more and more used in industrial production. When the automatic solder paste printing machine is used for a long time, the equipment will also face the problem of aging and rust. Therefore, we should pay special attention to the maintenance of automatic solder paste printing machine. Here are some tips for keeping your solder paste printer in good working condition. First, machine cleaning. Apply anhydrous ethanol with a special wipe and compressed air gun tow to remove any residue from working area, like platform, support pin, and block, squeegees, and so on. Second, stencil system cleaning. Remove the wiping strip. Use anhydrous ethanol with a special wipe to remove the residue. Third, check solder paste condition. Make sure the paste hasn't dried out or started to separate. Dispose of old or expired paste to avoid print defects. 4. Replace consumables. Replace worn squeegees, stencil wipes, and filters if applicable. Inspect for wear on belts, pulleys, and cables. Replace any frayed or damaged components to prevent unexpected machine breakdowns. Check stencil cleaning system. Test and refill cleaning solution if your machine has an automatic stencil cleaning system. Make sure it's functioning correctly to maintain stencil cleanliness during production. Fifth, operators training. Properly trained operators can perform minor adjustments and identify potential issues early, reducing machine downtime. The daily maintenance and maintenance quality of the automatic solder paste printing machine directly affect the service life and product quality of the printing machine. It is necessary to formulate a working specification for the automatic solder paste printing machine so that the SMT operator can operate according to the specification.